Good morning, my name is Santosh. I'm from Ames Media, and today I'll be showing you how to make a basic logo using Paint 3D. And the logo plays actually a good role in a company or a brand, like because it's actually known as the symbol of and the trademark of a certain brand or a company. Like, let's start by going to the Paint 3D, which is actually free in Microsoft Store. Like, we'll go for the new, and make sure you always off the canvas. Go to canvas and shear canvas should be off. And once that is done, go to 3D shape. You can choose whatever you like this, you can see any shape you like. So basically logo can be in a different sizes, different objects, different shapes, and it may be just some words. So I'll be using shapes for this. Like, I'll be going for the white, and I want it full polished metal, so this will be my logo. So I'll keep it exactly, place it on top, and I'll go to 3D view and I'll go on the top angle. You can see I exactly placed it over here. So once this is done, you can see it is on the ground. So I'll keep it in this way, and I will write, make sure you off and you write this like I'm gonna just use one word, like from your name. Like, you can put your own name, like if your name is like mine Santosh, and I'm using S, so you can go for it. So I'll be using S, but it's your choice. You can use name, or you can actually design more, which I'll be showing you furthermore. I'll increase the size, and I will make it bold, and I will see which font is actually good. So this font is actually good, I'll be using this. So once this is done, make sure you just click and just increase the size, and go to 3D, and you can see you can actually increase the depth as well. So our name is in black, so I'll make it the same thing, like silver, polished metal, white, and I'll go for the brush tool and use the paint bucket this time. So every brush you use, it has a different role. Like marker has marker, and this one gives different like effects. So once this is done, I'll go to 3D back, and I'll go to 3D shapes and use select tool to select our object, and I'll keep it S, and I will just slowly place this down. Like, I don't want it to be like completely inside, like I'll just keep it over here. Make sure it's exactly on top. There you go. And make sure it is clear. You can see it's submerged inside. Now that looks amazing, right? You can see a little bit, it has to go down. There you go, it is down. You can see from this angle as well, like, make sure the depth is big as well. You can see our logo is almost done. So what you can do in this is put barrel inside. You can use another shape, or you can use to make your own things you like. Like, I'm gonna use string. Like, but I prefer using something like a gold texture, like this. You can see. So use this, and go in this manner. I'll let you know soon how good this actually looks in the end. Just make sure you do it in all the directions. So once this is done, I'll start going from I'll just place this below. So once you've done everything, make sure you go to selection, select this and place it below like it is in the middle. You can see it looks very good now. So use another barrel, then I will make a small barrels around the, you can see like right inside this. I'll make sure I color this using the paint bucket so it looks a little bit brighter. You can see it's actually like a cherry on a branch. Control C, Control V, or you can use your copy and paste to do it again and again. Control V, Control C, Control V. Make sure you copy properly or else it won't work sometimes. Control C, Control V. Make sure you put how much you need it, not a lot, but like one more I'm gonna add. There you go, that's it. You can see it looks plain from this angle, and this angle it looks actually really good. It looks like a fence. So this one, I'll make sure it's the same color. There you go, our logo's done. You can add more if you need, like a texture if you like. Like I'm gonna place the texture over here. I'm gonna make it big as well so that it covers the edges too. You can see it looks actually really good now. Once you add the texture, there are a lot of textures you can use. So once this is done, you can see it's not done in all the ways. So you can start adding here again. So you don't have to worry like it's going indirectly, like it merges perfectly. See, this looks amazing right now. So basically people think 3D is actually very hard. You can see how easy it is using open source. You can see with the shine of the logo is visible. So we can use this as an intro as well, which I'll show you later on. So if you want this, you can make it this as a brick, like a log, but I prefer using like a steel. So you can see a lot of brushes have a lot of things. Like you can see this one actually marks, this one paints, and this one is like actually adding like a brush feel. This one is a watercolor. This one is pen, pencil, you know how it works. This is eraser. This one is crayon, and this one is my friend. It's a spray paint. So this one is actually looks good. Let's go for the effects, and let's change the temperature, color, everything, the lighting. So this one actually looks good. for our gold logo. And this one is too bright. Let's go with the non-bright stuff, like dark. I really like this, so this one actually looks good. Make sure you increase this, like always make sure never keep it in straight, always keep it in white or left. Okay, then I'll let you know later why is that required. Go to file, you can save it as image or you can save it as video as well. Like today I'll be saving as video, or you can, this is how you can actually make video, but let's save it as image. Go to image, make sure you adjust how you need the angle, like I like this. So hold control. If you want to know how to move, click on this question mark and it will give you options how to actually use it. Alt, you can move, hold Alt and you can move. Make sure you on this and see this one is a little bit good. So I'll press OK. There's an option called as transparency, which actually removes the background. So always make sure you off the transparency so that you can use the logo in different images, like without having to crop the background. So I'll save this into my desktop, and once that is done, you can see the logo is right here and it looks amazing. That's all guys for today, and catch you all in the next video. So goodbye.